In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ElevenLabs audio and integrate it seamlessly into your CapCut projects. Whether you're creating engaging content for YouTube, TikTok, or any other platform, adding custom audio can give your videos a unique flair. And I'm here to show you just how easy it is with these two powerful tools. Before we dive into the steps, I want to quickly mention that if you haven't signed up for ElevenLabs yet, make sure to use our affiliate link. It helps support the channel, and we greatly appreciate it. All right, let's get started. First, you'll want to generate the audio that you plan to import into CapCut. With ElevenLabs, this process is intuitive and straightforward. If you have a script or text, you simply input this into the ElevenLabs platform. The tool allows you to choose from a variety of voice styles and tones to match the mood or message of your video perfectly. Once you're happy with the selection, go ahead and click the button to generate the audio file. The clarity and precision offered by ElevenLabs can really enhance your video content, adding that extra touch of professionalism. After the audio has been generated, the next step is simple: download it. ElevenLabs provides a user-friendly interface where you can easily save your audio file to your device. Make sure to take note of where you're saving it so you can locate it easily in the next step. Now, let's move on to CapCut. If you haven't already, open up your project in CapCut or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. This editing tool is fantastic for beginner and intermediate creators alike, offering a wide range of features to bring your vision to life. To upload the audio, all you need to do is drag and drop your newly downloaded file into the project window. CapCut's import functionality is designed to be intuitive, allowing a seamless integration of external audio files. Once uploaded, your audio will be easily accessible in your project media, ready for you to add into your timeline wherever it fits best. And just like that, you're all set. With these simple steps, you can enrich your video projects with high-quality audio from ElevenLabs, enhancing both the professionalism and impact of your content. Whether it's for narration, background music, or sound effects, the versatility of these tools will surely accompany your creativity. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on maximizing your video editing potential. Happy editing, and see you in the next video.